Okay, जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone. Good morning. Subh khair. Okay, I'm going to discuss one problem over here. कि when you are doing Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert program and you are getting this error, there are four prerequisite courses. One course is Master Microsoft Teams for any learning environment. Look here, on top right corner, 10,400 XP point experience point. You have to get that, but it's not completed yet. But let me show somewhere. So let me scroll down over here and look here. Modules in learning paths are, these are the part of, these modules are the part of this specific course. Okay, look here, but here you will see that all courses are completed. Everything is clear here. Can you see over here? This show that you have completed these courses thoroughly. अब हो क्या रहा है कि when you will open this course, click on it, you need to verify 100% complete. Scroll down, look here, can you see these tick mark over here? It shows that you have completed all these courses. So this one is clear, so I have to check another one. For that purpose I will do what, go back. This one is clear, so just right click on it, open in a new tab, right click on it, open in a new tab, make your life easy. Scroll down, then right click on that, right click, open in a new tab, right click, open in a new tab, and from here you will get the clear picture okay, in which module we are getting error. That's why it's not showing complete data over here. So just click here, let's find out. It shows that it's 100% complete, but let's scroll down. Good, clear. This one is also clear. Next module, organize content, create assignment. Scroll down. This is clear. Good. Next module is clear as well. Okay, where is the error? Oh, you look here, here we are. Can you see? Only there are ticks after this introduction, and here there is no tick here. It means that you haven't completed this. So just click here, you will get a green color over here after completing this point, and you will get 1000 experience. Now good, completed. Now click on next, this one, come on, scroll down, go up, check that, go to previous, next. You need to read all these later on. Okay, I'm just showing you how to complete this, but if you want to get knowledge, to grip on these tutorials or these courses, you need to go all these thoroughly. You need to complete this all, then you will get we'll proceed forward to the next level. Clear, clear, next, next, record meeting for future viewing. That's it. Completed. Now click on complete module at bottom right corner. All units are completed. You have to go through later on. मेरे पे ना डालिएगा. Later on फिर सब कहेंगे कि sir what is the purpose of this? What are the benefit of all this? So you have to read and go through and get this training done. Okay. So now I have to go back to verify that course again. So just click here on this hyperlink. Course completed. Done. Okay, just scroll down. This is also clear. And this one now I'm going to refresh this so that I will get, yes, this one is now completed 100%. Now we will
सर मैंने आपको
proceed
एक
to the
बाइनरी
next
एडिशन
level.
सेंड किया है, वो अगर चेक करते प्लीज.